Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify products. For this tutorial, I will use the app Judge Me Product Reviews, which is one of the most common Shopify apps for importing reviews and displaying reviews. It has like got 41,000 plus reviews, and along with this app we will also install Judge Me AliExpress review. So these two apps are really necessary, and without these two apps we won't be able to import the reviews from AliExpress. Okay, so you have to install both of the apps, and they both have the same developer and same company, so you don't have to worry. You just I will leave the link in the description of both apps. You click on install. First we will install this app, and then we will go towards the second app. So also to save time, make sure to open the theme customization in the separate window. I will show you how it can save time, because it will embed the app and open the theme customization separately, but we have already opened it, so it will save time. So I have clicked on install, and now it will do the onboarding process for me. So this is the onboarding window, and it has said to select the theme. So I've selected the current theme. You can change the theme if you want. So click on start setup, and then app embedded enabled. So it has already embedded the app for me. If I refresh this one, it will have already embedded that, because I have already opened the theme customization in the separate window. So it has already done this process for me. If it doesn't enable the option for you, make sure to just check the Shopify theme customization if it is enabled or not. So it is enabled. I have to click on save. Currently I don't have to save because it has done automatically. This process has been done automatically for me. You have to click on embed and make sure that once you install any app, it is enabled. Like I before I installed the sticky add to cart app, it is enabled. So it is working fine. If it is not enabled, it will not work. Okay, so it is automatically detecting all the things for me. That's really nice. So continue. Again, it will detect automatically widget block installed. It has automatically installed the widget block for me on the product page. If it doesn't install for you, you have to manually add that block manually add that block. I will show you how you can manually add it and change the position also. Click on continue. It will automatically install the star rating for me. Then I will click on continue. I don't want to indulge with star color or something like this. I will click on continue. Again, finish domestic orders after the order is fulfilled. Send the review request after 14 days. So it's fine. I will click on save, and then I will click on explore Judge Me. It will take me to the Judge Me settings. Okay, so it has taken me to Judge Me settings, and then there's nothing to explain for now, because for this tutorial I am simply focusing on how you can import the reviews. Okay, so if you go to the theme customization and open the product page, for example I will open this product page. I'm showing you how you can uh, add the section of star rating and the review widget. So as you can see, this is a star rating, and if you see, it has automatically added the star rating for me, but I can change the position, and I can also add the star rating later on. If it is not added, I can add the block later on. Like if you see here, it has automatically add the app for me. Let's delete this one because it is automatically added. I don't like this position, for example. So let's delete every block. And then if you want to add the section of the apps or review widget, the star rating is already added on my desired position, so I don't want to change it. Now I want to add the review widget. So what I have to do, I have to click on add section and then click on apps. Okay, and then it will show review widget, reviews carousel, reviews text. You can add anything you want. So review widget, I want to add the review widget. Okay, this is the thing that I was looking for. So it has automatically added a review widget for me. These are simple sample reviews, but we will import the reviews and it will update it with the latest one. So let's change the position of this app. Now as you can see, the position is perfect. So that's how you do the all the stuff. So the judge me part has been done successfully. Now it's time to import the reviews from AliExpress. So okay, I think the all the settings are okay. We don't have to indulge with the settings. So click on judge me AliExpress reviews. Again, you have to be patient because it will take some time. Click on install. I think my face needs to be down a bit. So it has installed the app for us, and now it has simply shown all our products that we can import the reviews. The process is very straightforward. For example, if you want to import reviews for this product, you just have to copy any AliExpress URL, any AliExpress URL. But I am copying the original product URL so that I can import the reviews. So make sure not to add very strict check for the import. Like if I click on import, some people do a lot of strict checks like only 10 reviews. So currently I will focus on 50 reviews, and then I will click on show advanced settings, and I will try to uncheck some of the filters. Not don't check uncheck all the filters. Like some people only do USA, uh, want to import only USA reviews, so they it also doesn't import a lot of reviews. Then if you only select USA, maybe it only import like 5 reviews, and you don't want that. So don't uncheck every country. So I think USA, Canada, UK, Russia, Spain, and yes, okay, that's fine. Minimum review count should be one. That's okay. So reviews must have pictures. No, I don't want to check the setting because very few buyers actually post the pictures. So I want to click on import reviews, and it will import the reviews in the background. Okay, you can see the process here. I do some testing. I did some testing yesterday, so it is also showing the process here. So again, I want to import reviews for another product. So I will click. You don't have to copy the whole product URL up till HTML. You can copy. Okay. So click on this one and click on import. It has automatically detected the settings that I imported. And let's see, it has imported 6 reviews for 12-inch LCD and 41 reviews for okay, let's refresh. I think it is just mixing the thing. I just download refresh the window, and it has imported like 50 reviews for Xiaomi 2 TB flash drive and 41 reviews for 12-inch LCD. So as you can see, it was just mixing with the previous notification. So if you just make the filter more broader, like you want to import the reviews for all the countries, and you also uncheck the option for minimum review requirement is one word, you will see that it will import all the reviews for you. Like if this product has like 167 reviews, it will import all 167 reviews for you. But you don't want that thing, right? You want reviews which have almost a single word, and also they are from the most famous countries. Okay? So I hope the things are clear. So reviews have been imported. So if you after importing the reviews, what you have to do, you have to go again to, don't indulge with this app, just import the reviews and switch again to the judge me reviews app. So just click on manage reviews and verify if the reviews have been imported by the app or not. Okay, so let's uncheck. And as you can see, 91 reviews have been published by this app, Judge Me Express Reviews app. But some of the reviews are not good. I want to delete them because they are 1 star. They are 1 star. So you have to manually do all the process. Like this is not good. This is in Chinese. So this is not good. Sort of scam product. I think I don't want to use such product on my original store. So just take a quick look, and you can delete reviews from here. So you can even edit the reviews. Okay, you can even edit the reviews. No, it doesn't show me the option. I guess it had the option before to edit video. You have the option to edit the review, so you can just change the star rating if you want. So let's see if there is, like, if you want to edit this review, want to do it like 5 star. No, it doesn't give us the option to edit the 5 star, but it can, you can change the review. You can't change the star rating. Like if I want to delete this review and other reviews, I hope the things are clear. How you can do all the stuff. You click on delete reviews and it will delete the reviews for you. Now let's go on the main store and see if the reviews are correctly imported or not. So this is our store and I will click on this one. Let's see if the things are showing correctly or not. So this was the you can also adjust the setting in the Judge Me Reviews app and show the reviews on the collection or homepage as well. So that's a setting in the Judge Me Reviews app. As you can see, the reviews have been imported and the star rating is showing 41 reviews. And if we go down, it will show us the reviews like this. It is showing the reviews 4.9 out of 5, so it looked really nice, and some pictures also. So I think the things are working well. So let's see the other product also, if the reviews are have been imported correctly or not. So let's go on this one, and then as you can see, it also has got some bad rating, 40 reviews, and then as you can see, like 4.42 out of 5, and the reviews are showing correctly. I hope the things are clear, and if you have any confusion, let me know. Judge Me app is very I can make an in-depth tutorial on Judge Me app, how you can basically update the widgets and how you can add the star rating on the collection page, on the stuff. But it's a separate video. This video is specifically focused on how you can import the reviews. You can also import like Amazon reviews using the Judge Me app. So that's a separate topic. I hope the things are clear for this video. Let me know if there is any issue, and you can play with the widgets, and there are a lot of widgets to explore in Judge Me app. It is amazing app, undoubtedly.